how to install MyBenefits Portal app, MyBenefits Portal mobile app. So let's just try to install it. Yes, this app is climbing in the charts in the health category, health and fitness. It doesn't have that good ratings though. So this app is supposed to be all-in-one solution that offers a unique engagement experience designed to improve health outcomes, decrease healthcare spending, and increase member satisfaction. Download the app and enjoy access to all your member benefits in one place. View detailed benefit information and create a personal health profile to make finding products you often need quick and easy. The My Benefits app allows you to filter, sort, and search by category, price, and wallet, and more. See products in more detail with 360-degree expandable images. But a lot of people complain that this app actually is quite buggy. But the idea is that you just add your benefit card and then you can see some recommended product based on your health profile where you can just save money. You can just place this order and then just save with your benefit card, I guess. So you just can log in here with your member ID. That's where you will find this on the health insurance carrier. You can also tap to register. From here you can register as well. So yeah, this is just the app where you can just save some cash. But and if you just want to use this on mobile, yep, this is available as a mobile app. You don't need to access your browser and all of that. Just use it as a mobile app.